My dad, believe it or not, started growing tomatoes. I swapped them over to chrysanthemums. I'm Trevor Lawrence, one of the 4 partners of RF Lawrence and Sons. The business was started in 1958 with my mum and dad. We've now been going 60 years. We grow 2 main varieties, Misty and American Beauty, and just grow mainly the whites, the creams and the yellows in both ranges. When I first joined the business, we grew 2 acres of outdoor chrysanthemums. We now grow 5.5 acres all under glass. So we expanded the business and now grow for supermarkets. 10 years ago, we started Chrysanthemums Direct and employed Martin to run Chrysanthemums Direct for us.
The reason for Chrysanthemums Direct really was to promote chrysanthemums to the general gardening public so that they were aware of them and how easy they are to grow in the garden. We have a website where people can order. We also produce a paper catalogue which we send out every year for people to send in their orders. And this is the largest part of the business. And we send out, last year we sent out about 120,000 plugs. Every year we try and introduce new varieties into the catalogue to keep things fresh so that the public have always got something different to look at. I think chrysanthemums had gone out of fashion a little bit a few years ago, but we're finding over the last few years that people are getting interested in them again. We get a lot of people who grow them because they remember their father or their grandfather growing them when they were a young child, so they want to do that for nostalgic reasons. I like chrysanthemums because they make nice big blousy flowers. They flower in the autumn, September, October onwards, so there are not so many other things in flower in the garden at that time of year.
We grow a niche market where we specialise in growing top quality blooms. What makes us different to other people is we do the whole operation from selecting all the plants right through the growing stage, which means we produce top quality flowers at the end. We've been very lucky to have won Cut Flower Grower of the Year 3 times, and it is amazing that we've won so many gold medals with Chrysanthemums Direct.
Our first show was the 2009 Chelsea Flower Show, and we were very pleased there to receive a gold medal. Since then we've done over 260 exhibits around the country, and we've had about 255 gold or large gold medals in that time. And at the moment we have 59 RHS gold medals to our credit.
I think it's really nice that over 60 years it is still a family-run business. Growing chrysanthemums are an amazing thing. Every year there's something different. They have lots of challenges, and as you can see, when you get it right, they look absolutely fantastic.